Hello you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this slime. It's bouncy. You're going to be, oh, stop! No! You're going to need some Elmer's glue. Oh. And some borax solution or any detergent. Let's get started. I already poured the glue in earlier. Now you're just gonna get a mixing tool and something mixing.
Meow. Yeah, meow.
Pour that in, mix it. Coming.
Fluffy.
When it gets sticking to the mixing tool, I'm using stick of course, and you can pull it off and leave it with your hands. If it's sticky, just stick it inside of the box.
Dude, I already made my solution. Dude. Come on. You get upload. It's loading. Oh my god. Keep on. It is on. It's
Okay, guys. This is the finished product.
That was easy.
Yay! Which do you think was better?
That one. That one. That one. Oh, Kiana, let's make a Cheeto challenge. Let's make a Cheeto challenge.
Cheeto challenge. Oh no.
I meant Ruffle challenge. Ruffle challenge.
Come back next time to see me show you how to make some fluffy cinnamon.
Kiana, go on my. Only 8 minutes left for this.
Is my first
Look,
video.
only
Please no
7
bad
minutes.
comments and subscribe to this channel.
Kiana, it is going.
Bye,
It's
guys.
going. Look at my tab.